Hey guys, today we're gonna make vanilla cake. And to help me,
I'm Megan, you're young.
hey Megan.
Hi.
Hi, how old are you?
35.
Oh Megan, you're old. First, splash guard. All-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, sugar. Mix. Almond milk. A little bit of canola oil. Slower. Butter. More spilling. 3 egg yolks, 5 egg whites in total. They always say to do this slow. Slow. Faster, faster.
I want to color some of it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. It looks like blood.
Blood. Now don't oversample, you'll throw the ratio off. Now you want to set your oven to 350 and then you're going to bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. Hey Google! Timer 50 minutes! Bye sweetie! Have it! There you have it guys, vanilla cake. You can experiment with some colors, it's fun and it's delicious. Okay, stop, you're going to ruin the cake.